You can do some dancing today? Eh? Yeah. Nice to do some dancing today.
Come on then, let's go. Check it out.
See our people. This is the Niue stage. All the Niue people here. Where's all your Niue families here? This is Malama. Hi Malama. Yeah, good to see you, eh? Yeah, here's everybody. Yeah. Yeah. See everyone. Hi, darling. Get you behind my camera because you're behind the camera. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. There's everyone here. Who's under the umbrellas? Oh, there you are. Oh, I like to see your faces. Hello, hi. Like to see everyone's faces under there. Beautiful day, isn't it? Hi. Hello, oh, who are all these guys? Are you going on soon? Oh, okay. Hello, Mother. Hello. How are you? There you all are underneath the umbrellas. What a beautiful day today, eh? Yeah? You enjoying it? Have you already performed? Oh, sorry I missed you. Karina, hi. You under there?
Are you doing a live?
Yes. It's not a live. This is going on my YouTube channel. You can watch it.
Okay.
Yeah, you watch it later. Oh, this is where they're going to be selling some nice food. What do they have here? Oh, $25 a plate, chop suey. See this? This is their food down here. This is at the Niue stage area. This is the Niueans here today. Aren't they beautiful? First time they set up the Niue stage properly. This is definitely really good here. There's another stall. Don't know what they're selling, but there's all the Niue people around. Yes. I don't interview them, I just say hello to them. Yes, all the people today that are here having a lovely time. Oh, the weather just really rained, but it didn't rain. Thank goodness. Yeah, beautiful day. And here's some more people sitting around out here. Hi, Kolo. Hello, darling. What's your name again?
Annie.
Oh, yeah, Annie. That's right. I already knew it was Annie, but Oh, nice to see you guys. Yeah, beautiful. Yes. Lovely. Yeah, yeah. And here's the drummers. There's some more fans here at the back. Yeah. Kalavatu. What's it going to do? Oh, I missed you, eh? So who's performing after? Avaseli? Okay. Yeah. Okay. And yous were great, eh? Yeah. Honey, Funga, took in the fire. Leave our chair there while we walk around. Put our chair in the stall where Carol and them are. We don't need to take it around. But I want to capture. I don't want to go because I want to capture the Niue next performance because I haven't captured one performance yet. Okay.